So how do you send a folder when you are using your email address? In most cases, when you're sending a single file, it is easier. You can easily attach your file and send it, but it is never that easy to send a folder. Let's say you want to send 10 files within one folder, but when you try dragging and dropping it or simply adding it to your email by clicking on the add button, attach files button, it does not work. So let's see how you can do that. So if you click on the compose button within your email address and type the recipient and then type the email subject, sending a folder, then you can go to the content within the message section and then type find attached the file folder requested, folder requested. So, and then we have the next part is you need to attach your files here. So when you're sending a single file, it is easy, you'll not have any problems and you can just do it within seconds. Let's try that. So if I click on files, attach files, and then go and select any file here. This is an audio file. You can send audio or images or even videos that are less than 25 MB. If it goes beyond that, then you'll have to send it via the Google Drive or share it. So I am just going to click on this and click on open files. So you'll notice that that is easily loaded and it is ready to send. But when you try sending a file, a folder like this, let's try dragging and dropping. So I'm going to minimize that. Like this, in most cases it does not send. You can see that this is a very small folder size. Now what do you do in this case? When this does not work, it is simple. What you're supposed to do is supposed to compress these files here. So I'll go to the folder. You can see we have that error, so attachment failed. So I'll go to my folder, right click on it, and convert this to a zip file first before I can send it. So let's go to that, right click on it and convert it to a zip file. So we'll go to send to. So first of all, let's move this and right click, then you should go to send to and compress the folder. Then that folder will be compressed. Then now you can now drag it and drop it. So let's remove this first and then we can compress this folder. Sometimes the files will not be accepted. Maybe if the file contents are not allowed, you receive an error message that the attachment has not been accepted or is not allowed to be sent. So in this case, you see it has been accepted and you now can easily send this email with your folder that has multiple files. So you look at this, the contents of this folder, we have PDF files. So if you had some other like Word files or maybe any other file format that is accepted and below 25 MB, you will easily send it via Gmail. So if you have not protected your account, you have to check out this video and set up two-factor authentication for your Google. You can as well check the videos with the links in the description and set up two-factor authentication for other websites like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.